We're going to do a brief video on MRO Stock Price Today, and we've got a daily chart here for you of Marathon Oil. We've got a green 5-day moving average, we've got a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at the big picture of the stock real quick. If you go back here, all the way back here, you can see we crossed over the 200-day moving average in November, middle of November, about 2020. And we were way down there at $5 a share, and we just had a classic bull market rally where we just basically have been going up and up and up. We corrected, you'll notice we went up, corrected, went sideways, almost sideways into had a little rally, but then went sideways into the 200-day moving average, caught the support. That's why it's important to put a 200-day moving average on there to see what's going on with the stock. And we got this nice little rally that really respected the 20-day moving average, and that rally was from 11 to 16, so that was a good 50-60% move in the stock right there. We came down, we tested the 200 again, but we didn't get that close to it and took off and respected the 20-day really good all the way up to about April of 2022 when it started to get a little choppy. People were distributing, taking some profits here, and we had a final blow off top here, which was almost parabolic up to the high of the May 31st high of $33.24 a share. Promptly collapsed. What goes up must come down. Respected the 20-day moving average on the downside as well, but ran into good support on the 200-day and bounced along it for quite a while, probably starting here July 1st and then ending around August 10th or so, and at which time we started another rally. You'll notice that gave time for the buying population to take a look at this moving average and see that it stayed above the 200-day, and price never really got seriously into bear market territory, and so they started buying it again. And that's what's going on right now. Keep in mind, Marathon Oil is obviously going to be tied to the price of oil and to everything that's been going on in around the world regarding oil and gas prices. But let's just take a look at it, avoid the fundamentals, and just take a look at the price from a technical perspective. This stock's in a bull market. It's above the 5-day, it's above the 20-day, it's above the 200-day moving average. It came and tested the 200 here recently, and the 200 put that support in there for it, and this stock's rallying again. So do I see a huge rally for this stock right now? Not the way it's trading in the short term. In the short term, this stock could easily be a $30 stock by maybe even a $32 stock by the end of September, something like that. That's doable. Today we're trading Marathon Oil is at $27.65, up $1 plus and up 4% on 8 million shares at about 1 o'clock. Their normal volume is about 16 million shares, so it's not a huge amount of volume behind this move, but it is up 4% at $27.60 some. So it's looking good right this second for a rally to continue in this stock. I don't see it being tremendously overbought right at the moment. We might pull back a little bit here to 25, 26, but you could chip shot up here to $30 to $32 without that big of a deal by the end of September. Is it going to do that? I have no idea. It's all for entertainment purposes only, all for entertainment, but that's the way I look at it right at the moment. Keep in mind, if they come up with a peace treaty over there in Ukraine, oil prices are going to get dramatically altered, I would believe, fairly quickly. They're already moving, but they're moving slowly. So you've got to keep your eye out on commodity prices when you're dealing with an oil company, especially crude and natural gas, because that's going to have a big impact. But that's where we are right now in the stock, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. Let's look what we cover this stock. Let's see what RBM has to say about it. RBM Research covers this stock, and the low today is 26.87. The high is 27.92. So let's take a look real quick and see what RBM says about it. 26.87. So let's go down here and look at it. These are algorithmically generated prices, 26.87. So we have not, it did not get into our buy zone yet. This is 1, 5, and 20-day columns, and it has not slipped low enough to make it a buy according to our algorithms. But you can see we had 3 prices on here buying a little low today, and who knows, maybe it'll dip down in there, but it has not touched them yet. These prices are algorithmically generated. We post them every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. This is today's for the 14th of September. They're buys only. On the 1-day column, you buy, assuming your own analysis is a good idea. You buy and then close out at the end of trading, or just before the end of trading the next day, the next trading day. at a loss, or take your profit as soon as you get it. Same thing for the 5 and the 20. If you bought in the 20-day column, again, assuming your own analysis says it was worth doing, you buy whole worst case 20 days and close out just before the end of the 20th day, trading day, or take your profits as soon as you get them. So that's the way these work. And again, we haven't entered buy territory on MRO, Marathon Oil Company, yet today. If you're interested in these algorithmically generated prices, you can get them all for free, absolutely no cost, no credit card, at rbamresearch.com. They go up Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. for 190 stocks for the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. We cover all of those. The stocks are longs. The rest of them are longs or shorts every day. There's a link in the description below. That takes you right to rbamresearch.com. You just put your email in there and sign right up. Please leave us a comment in the comment section and let us know if you like moving averages or not, if you think technical analysis is worth anything or not. We'd want to know. Just give us a yes or no and a brief why, and you'll help us make these videos better for you. If you like these videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. Remember that everything you see on here is for entertainment purposes only, including our entry prices and our commentary. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to do your own research, and you definitely do trade at your own risk.